Hi, this is Jason Getz with Getz Equipment Innovators, and today in this video we'd like to go through the steps of recharging a clean agent fire extinguisher using our halogenated agent closed recovery system. This closed recovery system can be used with Halon 1211, Halitron, and FE36 or Clean Dart. Today we'll be working with a 5-pound Halon 1211. So after you are finished servicing the cylinder and rebuilding the valve, you can start the recharge procedure. With the valve secure in the cylinder, go ahead and put the recharge adapter on the valve and tighten securely with a wrench. Then you can connect the quick coupler from the fill line to the recharge adapter. If they're not already open, go ahead and open the liquid and vapor hand wheel valves on the recovery tank. As you can see, we have the extinguisher on its side on a scale in a way that you can easily see the extinguisher gauge, and then we'll put a clamp on the extinguisher valve to open that. Then we'll turn the selector control to the portable's cylinder position on the console. At this point, make sure you tear your scale and then slowly open the red liquid ball valve to the fill line. So now the clean agent will start to flow into the extinguisher, and you could reach the appropriate agent weight without turning on the pump, but if the flow of agent slows down, you might need to turn the pump on. So we were able to reach the weights without turning the pump on, and he controlled the flow of agent with the selector control, turning it from off to the portable cylinder. And then once you reach the appropriate agent weight, you can remove the clamp on the extinguisher valve and then turn the selector control to the recovery cylinder position. Then we'll turn the pump on and allow it to run until the vacuum gauge reads -5 inches of vacuum. So now it's reading -5 inches of vacuum, and so we close the red 1/4-inch ball valve to the fill line, and then we turn the pump off. And now we need to pressurize the extinguisher if it's not at the appropriate PSI. And you can use the pump to pressurize the extinguisher, but we typically connect directly to a nitrogen or argon cylinder if you're working with Halitron. If you want to use the pump, just reference the manual for those steps to pressurize the extinguisher. But we're going to use directly to a nitrogen cylinder. So we disconnected the coupler from the fill line from the recharge adapter, and then we connected a nitrogen line to the recharge adapter. And you can open the nitrogen valve and then control the amount of pressure with the extinguisher valve. And when the extinguisher pressure gauge reads on the high side of the green operable pressure, turn the valves off and then rock the extinguisher back and forth to equalize the charge gas with the clean agent. And then you may need to repeat this until the operable pressure on the extinguisher remains in the green. But once you've reached that, you go ahead and disconnect your nitrogen line, and then you can put your safety pin and tamper seal in there. Finally, you'll check for leaks in the valve, and then you can go through the process of putting on the hose and or the nozzle and record the final weight of the extinguisher. From here you can continue the recharge process with more extinguishers, but if you're finished for the day, it is highly recommended to flush or purge all liquid agent from the pump and valves. You can reference the manual for this process, and we'll also review it in another video. Thank you for watching this video on recharging clean agent using our halogenated agent closed recovery system. For more information, please visit our website at getzequipment.com.